there, you might want to mind it.
It's the Nasty Boys live in Malagrad here with TV and Cabby. Do you have any requests? Redoing this. See, we've got the Popo in the house.
It's fucking mad.
You have a breathe that's on, huh?
Yeah, go ahead.
Smile. Yes, please. We're ready, we are on the highway now.
You start taking names. You know what I mean? Shaking people's hands. Let's get the names. Numbers, right? Tomorrow.
Why do we need this many guns on
Just let them know, yeah?
My name? John.
Do you have a second name, John?
Johnson. This one on the house. What's the galleria?
Thank you, John.
Thank you. Stephen.
What's your second name?
Stevenson.
Thanks for your cooperation. Thank you.
Yes.
Hey, sir.
It's Mr. Tico.
We're here today to do a census.
Okay.
All I need is your name.
Joe Daly. Farmer Joe Daly.
Farmer Joe Daly. Thank you, Joe.
You're very welcome. Oh, what a tune.
Hey, Zads.
What a tune. Yeah. How can I help you?
Here today to do a census.
What's a census?
Just gathering names, see who's in the town.
Spider-Man. You're gonna make me into Spider-Man.
I might.
I'm not Spider-Man. I'm Spider-Man. Fuck you guys. I'm Spider-Man. I'm the skinny one.
Okay.
Like Peter Parker.
What's your name?
What's my name?
Yeah.
Spider-Man.
You Peter Parker.
What's your name? Why should I give you my name?
Say again.
My name is Cletus. What's your name?
My name's Keane.
Okay. Pleasure.
What's your second name?
Second name? I was born in redneck country. We don't have second name.
Oh.
You can put a little dash thing. You know,
Okay.
what's that thing called? Hyphen.
A hyphen.
That thing. Hyphen. Yeah. One of those things.
Right.
You didn't ask these boys their names. I remember.
I'm going around now, don't worry.
Why'd you walk the long way? He was like walking. This is fair. I don't like being single. Harry Murphy. What's my name? Make waves.
Get your name, please.
You. Make waves don't work. Huh? Make waves don't work.
Your second name, please.
R.
Sorry?
R. A-R-R.
You are? Hey, you are? Is that how we are? How we are? Hey, boys. I do my bad. How you are?
Village.
Ward a second. Just in the great ball cap. Just make sure and get his details right.
He's being stubborn, he won't give me anything.
There's a reason being.
So just right there.
Intel from the bananas from SF about him being an HVT. He's on HVT. It's coming from bananas. That's the SF from the second.
Yeah.
Let's introduce over and let's know and we'll see what we're going to do. So just keep doing what you're doing.
We'll just write down grey cap.
Grey ball cap with a red logo. Tattoos on the back of his hands. Just take a walk around in front of him again and just take a look at the details.
You are here, Nobs, a good poke up the bum.
Can you take these guys' details, please? You got a pen, sir?
I don't have a pen.
Can I take that pencil to write a sign? Let me spare change.
I have a spare pencil if you want it. Patrick, do you have a pencil for this young lad?
Oh my. No.
Let him borrow your pencil. Or give him your Sharpie.
Oh, give me a Sharpie. I'll take that Sharpie for a second.
This
man's name as well.
How are you? Nice to meet you. I'm doing a census today.
Yep.
Can I get your name, please?
Randall.
Second name?
Carl.
Carl.
It's 3 names. Carl Ission. I'm Swedish.
What's the second?
Ission. Ission.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a nice day. Hey lads. Doing a census today. Nice to meet you. My name's Keane.
I'm the sheriff.
I'm Thomas. I'm Sweden. You've come for the Khatanga irrigation?
No, not yet.
All right.
Can I get your name, please, sir?
It's on the door outside.
Ah, here we are. What? Heading to the building, will we?